The presentation is minimalistic and functional, aligning with Xiaomi's broader design language. The battery arrives housed in a rigid, transparent plastic case that prioritizes protection over aesthetics. This is not retail theatrics. It is practical packaging meant to survive transport in backpacks or gear kits. Documentation is limited to safety and compliance markings printed directly on the battery housing, reinforcing a utilitarian approach. It uses a lithium-ion polymer architecture, which offers advantages in weight reduction and form factor flexibility compared to cylindrical cells. The outer shell is robust, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and minor abrasions. The battery includes clear polarity markings and well-defined contact terminals, reducing the risk of incorrect insertion. Regulatory markings such as CE and recycling symbols are present, along with detailed specifications including a nominal voltage of 3.8 volts and a limited charge voltage of 4.35 volts. These parameters indicate a modern, high-density cell optimized for both capacity and longevity.